New electric vehicle is quite expensive. It's not something that is cheap. It's in the upwards of 25, 30K. What is really exciting about the industry and how we're going to move forward with this is in the next 2 or 3 years, what's going to emerge is a second-hand electric vehicle car market, which will make buying an electric vehicle a lot cheaper, which will hopefully push more people to go down that route and go electric, because that is quite big for the industry and something that we're looking forward to. In some cases, it makes sense to go electric. ULEZ charges, congestion charges, they're so expensive. So when the second-hand car market comes out, I think will be an advantage, and I think we'll see a bigger uptake in electric. If you're not traveling far, say your commute every single day is under 20 miles, I think at that point it becomes really attractive. I mean, you can go into central London, no congestion. You can go into ULEZ, no ULEZ charges. You can park in certain areas which sometimes is difficult to park in. And then you have the convenience of never having to stop at a petrol station. Coming home, plugging in your electric car and just going about your day and just knowing in the morning you have a full tank, let's say. Cities is a big one because there's so many people crammed in one place. I think it's also for the rural areas as well and the places outside of the cities. But I think in the cities it's a big thing because the congestion and the ULEZ, and it's becoming more difficult. I know they're bringing the ULEZ out even further now. If I want to go to my nearest Sainsbury's, Asda, Tesco's, I will have, if I don't have ULEZ compliant car, I will have to pay that ULEZ fee, and it just becomes a pain.